Welcome to your dream escape, 80 acres of untouched beauty, just 15 miles south of Wells, Nevada. Brought to you by William Darmon Properties, experts in rural land opportunities. Imagine waking up to stunning panoramic views of Nevada's majestic landscape. From every corner of this expansive property, you're surrounded by tranquil desert vistas and awe-inspiring mountain ranges. With easy access via a well-maintained road, this property offers convenience without sacrificing the peaceful, rural lifestyle. While you're immersed in nature, you're never too far from town. Wells, just 15 miles away, offers shops, restaurants, and other amenities. And for more urban conveniences, Elko is only 50 miles to the west, providing access to schools, healthcare, and entertainment. Just a short drive away, explore the beautiful Ruby Mountains, ideal for hiking, hunting, and outdoor adventures. Angel Lake is also nearby, perfect for fishing, camping, and enjoying the great outdoors. This land is more than just a property. It's a place where your dreams can take root. Whether you're looking for a one-of-a-kind investment opportunity, a peaceful retreat, a private homestead, or the perfect spot to develop your own ranch, William Darmon Properties is here to help you find the ideal fit. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a piece of Nevada's natural beauty. Contact William Darmon Properties today to learn more about this incredible 80-acre parcel, where serenity meets opportunity.